Students, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to the class of business studies. बच्चे, we were doing our second chapter, that is the forms of business organization. Forms of business organization, we have done various forms, like we have done sole proprietorship, also cooperative organization, joint Hindu family business, company form of organization. And in the last module we were discussing about the formation of the company, in which we have done a number of stages, means near about 4 stages we have done in that. ठीक है, 3 stages are compulsory for both private as well as the public company, but if we are talking about the 4th stage, then it is mandatory on the part of the public company. But if you are operating with the private company, there is no compulsion to go through with the 4th step also. So first 3 steps are compulsory for both private as well as public, but 4th step is mandatory on the part of the public sector but not on the part of the private sector. After that topic, we have done the documents which are required for the formation of the company, and I have told you that we have done 3 documents, that is MOA, AOA and prospectus. MOA is regarded as the Memorandum of Association, which is also known as outdoor doctrine of management. Why it is rectified as the outdoor means MOA document, it is used by the outside party to know about the financial condition of the company so that they can come and invest in the shares of the company, because the general public, they are also interested to know about the financial position of the company. So in MOA we have done various types of clause also. Then we have done AOA, that is the article of association. Okay, and this is the document which is not mandatory. It is not important because MOA is very important. Without MOA the company cannot function up. Okay, but AOA, without AOA the company can function up, and in place of AOA they can maintain the other document as per request by the registrar of the Companies Act. Third, we have done prospectus. Prospectus is regarded as the invitation to invite the general public to come and subscribe for the shares in the company, shares of the company. So next and the last topic of this very chapter, that is the choice of the form of business organization. This is the last topic. With this topic we are winding up this chapter and we are approaching to our next chapter. So bache, choice of form of business organization means, like I am the new person, I want to start up the business. We have done number of forms of business organization, in which we have done sole proprietorship, joint Hindu family business, we have done company form of organization, we have done cooperative organization, we have done partnership also. ठीक है, तो choice of the form of business organization means, suppose I want to start up my business. ठीक है, so before starting up the business I have to consider number of points in my mind, that in order to select the form of the business, कि अगर मेरे को business start करना है तो मेरे को कौन सी form का business start करना है. ठीक है, whether I opt for sole proprietorship, whether for partnership or whether for the joint stock company. ठीक है, so for having the choice of the form of business organization we have to go through number of points. So under that first point we are having nature of the business. So before starting up with any of the form of business organization, we have to focus on the nature of the business organization. Nature means, like if I am not having much of the finances, मेरे पास ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं है, ठीक है, then I can utilize the money by operating the sole proprietorship also, ठीक है, because sole proprietorship is generally regarded as the business on the small scale. ठीक है, so nature of the business, it depends upon the requirement of the business. ठीक है, so the type of the business activity is the most important factor. ठीक है, so if the business requires personal attention and the direct contact, sole proprietorship and partnership is preferred. ठीक है, means we can say personal attention, like if the person want that everyone should know about his reputation, his identity in the market, then he will definitely start up with the sole proprietorship, because in the sole proprietorship they are not having any other member who are joining with them to operate. ठीक है, so the nature of the business, it will decide that which we can say firm, which business the person have to start. ठीक है, like for example beauty parlors are there, ठीक है, small retailer shops are there, we can say they prefer the sole proprietorship business. ठीक है, so it depends upon the nature of the business. मेरे पास कम फाइनेंस है, ठीक है, तो नेचुरली आई विल अलॉट माई फाइनेंसेस डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ द बिजनेस. जिसके पास जितना पैसा है वो अपना उसी अकॉर्डिंगली नेचर ऑफ द बिजनेस देख के सिलेक्ट करेगा दैट विच फॉर्म दे हैव टू चूज इफ दे वांट टू ऑपरेट फॉर द बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Second, we are having that is the capital consideration. Capital consideration means that is the contribution on the part of the capital. ठीक है, so we can say how much amount of the finance required is the another we can say way of the choice of the form of business organization. किसी फॉर्म में पैसा बहुत ज्यादा लगता है. लाइक आई एम गिविंग यू द एग्जांपल ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. कोऑपरेटिव ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट दे आर नॉट वर्किंग फॉर द प्रॉफिट मोटिव, दे आर जस्ट सेट अप फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग द म्यूचुअल हेल्प टू वन अनदर. ठीक है, तो आपके पास पैसा नहीं है बट देन ऑल्सो यू वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट अप एनी फॉर्म ऑफ बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, देन यू कैन इजिली बिकम द पार्ट ऑफ द कोऑपरेटिव ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ठीक है, सो we can say the amount of the finance required also determine the capital consideration, also determine the choice of the form of business organization. ठीक है, so business requiring less amount of finance they prefer sole proprietorship or partnership. ठीक है, but the business who requires the huge financial holdings, ठीक है, then they can prefer the company joint stock company form of the business. ठीक है, so capital formation, capital consideration helps in making the choice of the form of business organization. Third point we are having that is degree of control. Degree of control means I have started up the business. ठीक है, मेरे को ये लग रहा है कि सारा कंट्रोल बिजनेस का मेरे हाथ में होना चाहिए. I will not delegate this part of work to any of the other person. तो नेचुरली इफ वी आर ऑपरेटिंग विद द सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप तो होली सोली किसका कंट्रोल होता है उस बिजनेस पे? नेचुरली द पर्सन दो हु इज कैरिंग ऑन द बिजनेस. ठीक है, सो इफ यू वांट टू एक्सरसाइज द फुल कंट्रोल ऑन योर बिजनेस एक्टिविटी देन यू कैन प्रेफर द सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप. ठीक है, बट इफ यू वांट टू डेलीगेट द कंट्रोल देन दे कैन प्रेफर ज्वाइंट स्टॉक कंपनी ऑल्सो, क्योंकि कंपनी में सारा काम एक बंदा नहीं कर सकता. दे हैव टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दिस काइंड ऑफ अथॉरिटी और द पावर टू सम अदर पर्सन ऑल्सो. ठीक है, सो इफ द बिजनेसमैन डिजायर्स द कंप्लीट and independent control then he has to prefer sole proprietorship. If the business don't mind sharing the control then they can go for the partnership also or they can go for the company also. ठीक है, so degree of the control, I hope it is clear. Next we are having that is the legal formalities. Legal formalities means we have done the topic of the sole proprietorship. I have already told you that in case of the sole proprietorship, it is not compulsory to get their firm or the business registered. ठीक है, so but if we are talking about the joint stock company, it is mandatory for the company to get themselves registered. For the partnership also what we have done that it is not mandatory for the partnership firm also to get themselves registered under the partnership act, but अगर वो अपने आप को register करवाते हैं then they are getting certain kind of benefits. But अगर वो register नहीं करवाते then no one will arise the question that why you haven't registered up your firm. Clear? So legal formalities means कि अगर मैं चाहती हूँ I should not indulge in lot of legal formalities or the paperwork, I will prefer sole proprietorship or I will prefer partnership. But if I am satisfied that yes, I will compile up with the legal formalities, I will do entire paperwork, then definitely I will go up with the joint stock company business. ठीक है, so it is regarded as the legal formality. ठीक है, so if the businessmen want to avoid the legal formalities, ठीक है, then they can opt for the sole proprietorship or partnership. ठीक है, but if they are not having any kind of problem with the legal formalities, then they can open up the joint stock company and even the cooperative organizations also, because cooperative organizations के लिए भी जौन सी registration है that is mandatory, that is compulsory. Clear? Next, seventh we are having that is flex. This is fourth point. Fifth we are having that is the liability. Liability means if I am operating sole proprietorship, I know that I will be liable for entire पैसा. ठीक है, मैंने जितना उधार लिया मैंने आई एम द ओनली पर्सन हु इज लाइबल फॉर दैट. ठीक है, आई हैव टू पुट माई पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी एट स्टेक ऑल्सो. ठीक है, बट इफ आई एम कैरिंग आउट द पार्टनरशिप और द जॉइंट स्टॉक कंपनी, तो अगर नुकसान हो भी जाता है तो वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता है डिपेंडिंग अप ऑन द कैपिटल कंट्रीब्यूशन, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द कैपिटल कंट्रीब्यूशन टास्क ऑफ द ईच partner. So that is regarded as the liability. Clear? So another important factor which helps in selecting the form of business enterprise is the degree of the risk involved. ठीक है, so for high risk means high liability, if they want to face, they can prefer company form. If they are not liable, ठीक है, if they cannot face the liability, if they cannot face the risk, then they can prefer the sole proprietorship. क्योंकि if we are talking about the big company, तो जितनी ज्यादा बड़ी कंपनी होगी उतना ज्यादा उनको रिस्क भी होगा. Clear? Next we are having management ability. Management ability means that is the person, when we are talking about the ability of the manager. ठीक है, मैनेजर द पर्सन हु इज कैरिंग ऑन ईच एंड एवरी टास्क इन द कंपनी. हम बोलते हैं ना बैंक्स में जाओ, मैनेजर इज हैंडलिंग ऑल द थिंग्स. सेम इज द केस विद द मैनेजमेंट ऑल्सो. लाइक इन द स्कूल ऑल्सो आवर प्रिंसिपल मैम इज हैंडलिंग ऑल द थिंग. मैनेजमेंट इज गिविंग द इंस्ट्रक्शंस, ठीक है, एंड प्रिंसिपल मैम इज पुटिंग दोज इंस्ट्रक्शन इन एक्शन. तो व्हाट इज रिगार्डेड एज द, दैट इज रिगार्डेड एज द मैनेजमेंट एबिलिटी. So if the organization, they want the effective and efficient management, they want to earn the maximum amount of the profits, then naturally they will hire high professional, higher experts for their work. But if they are not capable of paying any we can say tough amount of the salary to the professionals, then they can manage up with the sole proprietorship. क्योंकि sole proprietorship का business तो हमने खुद handle करना है. But if we are talking about the joint stock company, ठीक है, or the partnership, they are hiring up the experts as well as the professionals from outside, and they are paying them the handsome salary to carrying on, that is to for the managing up of the work of the organization. ठीक है, सो द बिजनेस वेंचर इफ दे रिक्वायर एफिशिएंट मैनेजमेंट, ठीक है, दे हैव द कंपनी फॉर्म ऑफ बिजनेस. ठीक है, बट इफ दे आर नॉट, वी कैन से दे आर नॉट अफोर्ड टू पे द हायर सैलरीज, ठीक है, देन दे हैव टू मैनेज अप द टास्क ऑन देयर ओन. इन दैट केस दे कैन हैंडल अप द बिजनेस विद द सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप. क्लियर? Next we are having flexibility of operation. Flexibility means when it is flexible in nature, means changes are recommendable in that. ठीक है, now sole proprietorship is the small form of the organization जिसको एक बंदा हैंडल कर रहा है. ठीक है, कोई भी इन्वायरमेंट में चेंज आ गया जिससे उनको लगता है कि आगे जाके दे हैव टू फेस द लॉसेस, ठीक है, देन दे विल चेंज द कोर्स ऑफ द एक्शन. On the other hand, if we talk about the company form of the business organization, बच्चे whenever any change is there in the environment, it is very tough for the company to make the changes. क्योंकि entire scenario company का change करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. वाई? बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स आर देयर, नंबर ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स आर देयर. ठीक है, तो एक पॉइंट पे कोई सेटिस्फाइड है, एक पॉइंट पे कोई डिससेटिस्फाइड है. यू कैन टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ जूम क्लासेस ऑल्सो. when we people have to start up the Zoom classes, some teachers are agreeing on this point and some teachers disagree also. ठीक है, but now we people are working in the family. ठीक है, so we people have to see the pros and cons and we people have to take one particular decision. ठीक है, सो दिस इज रिगार्डेड एज द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ऑफ ऑपरेशन. कि अगर हमारा बिजनेस कंसर्न छोटा है, ठीक है, तो उसमें चेंजेस करनी इजी है एज कंपेयर टू द लार्ज स्केल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. ठीक है, सो द बिजनेस विच रिक्वायर्स हाई डिग्री ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी शुड प्रेफर द सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप. जिनको ज्यादा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी चाहिए, ज्यादा चेंजेस आने के चांसेस है कि हमें चेंज करना चाहिए. ठीक है, क्योंकि कंपनी में हर कोई एक बार डिसीजन हो गया कि विद दिस पर्पस वी पीपल हैव टू स्टार्ट अप द कंपनी एंड वी हैव टू फॉलो दिस प्लान, तो वो प्लान चेंज करना बहुत मुश्किल है कंपनी में. क्योंकि एक बार ही प्लान सेट हो गया, ठीक है, वो सभी मेंबर्स को कम्युनिकेट हो गया, उसको चेंज करना बहुत दिक्कत वाली बात है. ठीक है, सो दैट इज रिगार्डेड एज द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ऑफ ऑपरेशंस. Last point we are having continuity. Continuity means if we are talking about sole proprietorship, we have already done one point that we can start up the sole proprietorship anytime and we can end up it anytime. ठीक है, सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप में वन पर्सन इज हैंडलिंग अप द बिजनेस. अगर वो बंदे की डेथ हो जाती है, ठीक है, तो दैट बिजनेस विल कम टू एन एंड ऑटोमेटिकली. बट इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द कंपनी फॉर्म ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, उसको किसी भी डेथ से फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बिकॉज अदर मेंबर्स आर देयर, अदर डायरेक्टर्स आर देयर टू कैरी ऑन द बिजनेस. ठीक है, सो कंटिन्यूटी. इफ यू वांट टेम्परेरी बिजनेस, ठीक है, देन वी शुड प्रेफर सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप. क्योंकि अगर टेम्परेरी बिजनेस चाहिए तो इतना खर्चा करना भी क्यों है, दैट वी आर सेटिंग अप द कंपनी वही बंदे सेटअप करते हैं, डायरेक्टर्स मीटिंग में सेटअप करते हैं, जिनको पता है दैट दे आर हैविंग वन थिंग इन देयर माइंड, दैट दे हैव टू कैरी ऑन दिस बिजनेस फॉर द लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द टाइम. ठीक है, सो द एंटरप्राइज विच आर हैविंग टेम्पटेशन टू रन फॉर द लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, naturally they will prefer, we can say they will arrange large funds, ठीक है, and they will prefer to continue their company for the long duration of the time period. ठीक है, so this is all about the choice of the form of business organization, in which we are including nature of the business, capital consideration, degree of control is there, legal formalities, liability, management ability, flexibility of operation, and continuity. But with this, we are finishing our second chapter also, that is the forms of business organization. And now we are starting up with the sixth chapter. We are not starting up with the third chapter. As per your unit syllabus, we are starting up with the sixth chapter. ठीक है, because it is very easy chapter. It is related to the environmental scenario. It is related to the societal concept. ठीक है, it is related to the various kinds of responsibility that business must have towards the society also, towards all the members, those who are becoming the part of the society, whether it's the government, whether it's the entrepreneur, whether it's the suppliers, whether it's the consumers. Okay, so we will start up with the sixth chapter, that is the social responsibility, in the next module. With this, we are finishing our number 2 chapter, that is the forms of business organization, and I hope you have the clarity of each and every concept. ठीक है, but still if you are having the doubt, your doubts are most welcome on my side. ठीक है, you can call me anytime. Thank you.